out my new music video, the Speechless song. I hope you watched it. That's my news video. Well, maybe this is the news video. So I'm gonna make my first slime video. So we're gonna make slime, glossy slime. Here are the ingredients to make glossy slime. We need glue first, and then we need second baking soda, and then contact solution. And we need a bowl and spoon, so let's get started. I'm gonna make slime now. First, I'll use the delicious green lime bush. I'm gonna take off the spoon first. I'm gonna take it out. Now I'll pour it. Oh, this will be yummy, scary. They never made this so much glue. This will be big slime. That's a big one. I can't make all of it. It's so make. Yeah. Go on. I'm gonna put all of this. Am I gonna put all of this?
It's up to you.
I think that's enough. I think that's enough. That's so giant already. Wait, it's like This is really hard making slime, obviously. Okay, we're done with the glue. I saved some more for something else or something, I don't know. The glue is many. Can you just see? Wow, that is a lot. So now we're going to move in the baking soda. I have this bowl here behind, so let's put a little baking soda. And now here's the baking soda. And let's put it in. We'll just dump it all. I'll just put it all. That's enough. I think we should stir it first, right? So, let's stir it. This is nice. Looks funny. Already looks so nice. With the baking soda, it's like snow. It looks like snow already. Snowflakes. Not good, not snowflakes. Spin. Well, I don't know if it's ready, obviously. So I think I'm just gonna give it until I can't see the baking soda anymore. I just still see some. I still see some. I want it mixed. Okay, that's now done mixing. Wow, it looks like slime already. Maybe it's slime already. Okay, it's sticky already. Let's put some contact. Oh, let's get out. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna put the contact solution?
Just on top, anak.
Yep.
It's okay. You don't have to remove that.
Okay, how am I gonna put it? Someone has to hold it. Okay. Oh, the glue fell. Ow. My mom is holding it. Okay. Okay, let's put a little spoon.
Ang madikit sa spoon.
That's enough. More?
I'll do it.
Okay, Mom will do it. Ow, that hurts. That's a lot already. Okay, can someone close it? Okay, I think I'll just dump it in. I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm mixed. Well, I did it already, but we still have a surprise. Don't look it, so let's mix it. It's so slimy already. Get the slime. This is so giant. If you're my classmate and you're from my school, I might bring this to school, okay? Yeah. The slime is so yucky. No, it's not yucky, okay? It's fun to play with. Is it ready?
You can touch it.
It looks like slime already. But we forgot to put the surprise.
Mix it first.
Okay, let's mix it a little more. Ah, it's so, I can't mix it anymore because it's slime already. Oh, it's so hard to mix the slime. Okay, I think there's slime. I think, we're supposed to put this first. The surprise is coming. Surprise! There's something inside this box. It's some design balls. It is for slime. It's like for decoration. So we're just gonna put a little bit. So I don't know how much should I put. I don't know.
Just use your hands to get some.
Okay, I'm gonna get a little here. A little more. Is that not enough? It's not enough yet. A little more. I touched the slime a little bit. I think that's enough now, actually. So let's get it out. And let's mix it. Yeah. I don't know why I said that. The slime might go inside it. Oh, it's going. The slime is in the... I think I want to touch it now.
Yes.
Let's take out this. Oops. The balls are supposed to be there. Yeah, the balls are there. Okay, let's put this here. Just put somewhere here. Where do I put this? Okay, let's try because it's so sticky. Let me show the final reveal later, so I'll put it dark. So, my final reveal. I thought it would turn out not that good, but it's just really nice. It's a little sticky still, but I like it already. It's so nice. This is so nice and nice. I put a little ball, can you see it? And it's really thick. It kind of looks like my other slime. I don't want to show you it. Well, maybe I can show you it, should I? No. Okay, you said no, so I won't show you. Wait, someone said yes. Oh, most of the comments are no's. Wait, what did you say? Most of the comments are right? Well, maybe not today. I'll show you next time. At least you should see this slime. And I like this slime more. Don't you like this slime more? Yes. Well, we don't know if you like this slime more, but I think you like this slime more. And it's so sticky, so we need to play with it. I think we're gonna go out now, so bye. Thanks for watching, and please check out my video of Jasmine, and bye.